Igbo bụ Igbo ekene m unu. Igbo m unu ụzọ ọzọ ekene m unu. Ọmụ ọbụ maazị Chigozie Ezeagu. Mkpume Ezeagu. All youth Ezeagu. Ezeagu youth are doing empowerment. We are helping the helpless, helping the needy. Then nearby, this is it. Look at it here. Look at it. The camera, the more you look, the less you see. You are seeing it, seeing is believing. This is what our politicians cannot do for us. Chimo Geza cannot do it. Umeha cannot do it. Senator Osita cannot do it. Our local government chairman, Mr. Ndo, he cannot do it. What are you telling me? I appreciate our able president, the Oracle. The able Oracle. The only one president in the MCV. The local government chairman, Kene youth of Ezeagu local government area. Kene all the reason. All you go to make Ezeagu. Yes. See, now we are trying to distribute this in various areas, so that it will reach to the rightful authority, to the right hand. Yes. It will be good. Mama no.